A very straightforward question here with a right triangle. The only thing that is a little bit goofy is that doesn't give you all three sides. All right, but we know hopefully we can use Pythagorean theorem to get the third side. I'm going to look at the rest of the question and see. It wants to talk about angle A. All right, so now angles and sides, that has to be sine, cosine, tangent. So SOHCAHTOA. And you've more than likely heard me say this before. Sine, cosine, tangent is one of the most heavily tested topics, all right, in the Regents exam. So this would be the hypotenuse across from the right angle. That's the opposite. That's the adjacent. All right, so sine is supposed to be opposite over hypotenuse, but 8 is the adjacent, so it can't be that. Tangent is supposed to be opposite over adjacent, but 8 is the adjacent, so it can't be that. Cosine is supposed to be adjacent over hypotenuse, but 8 is the adjacent, so it cannot be this. This says tangent of A is opposite over adjacent. Well, I know this is the adjacent. I know this is the answer because every other one has a side in the wrong place. All right. But I should do A squared plus B squared equals C squared because it is possible that this might come up again and it might have two different numbers in there. All right. For the missing side. All right. So this is going to be x squared equals 225, square root, x equals 15. This is 15. So then that is tangent equals opposite over adjacent, 15 over 8. Okay, so really with that one, it wasn't necessary to do the Pythagorean theorem, but if I'm trying to make sure that I'm correct, I would strongly suggest doing the Pythagorean theorem.